I think now it's officially safe to say that, Charlie, we are gradually in the age of. No, I've got to be clear about this one. I think now it's officially safe to say, or cool to say, that we have formally entered into the end of the age, or I should say the end of the human age. Okay, now I say this, I know companies everywhere across the world, usually would showcase their business, their product, services in, like, shopping malls, in shops, big, shops and all of that. And we've seen the likes of Tesla, displaying all of their cars and robots and all of the things that they do, okay, in city centers and, many different places, okay. But then recently we've seen the outdoor, okay, of the Tesla bots, which is like being displayed. I think it's the third of its kind, which has been added into the showcase or display, centers, okay, across, and it's begun in Florida, okay. And the interesting thing is the notes, okay, they put beneath, which read that Tesla Bot, aka Optimus, is a human robot designed to complete jobs that are repetitive, boring, or dangerous for humans. Tesla Bot's design was inspired by the human form, so it can use human tools, carry objects, and work in factories. Tesla Bot uses the same AI technology as Tesla vehicles, allowing it to navigate the world safely and efficiently. And I'm like, whoa, Charlie, things are gradually getting in line. Things are falling into place. The dots are gradually connecting. And very soon, which in fact is already happening, especially if you look at a company like Amazon, Charlie, a lot of robots are carrying out daily warehouse tasking and all of that. And so very soon you could, in fact, according to Elon Musk, he says next year, which is 2024, hopefully you could be able to, purchase or own an Optimus. As with price ranging around $20,000, you could own an Optimus in your house, in your home, your office, business. And this robot is going to be able to do basic human task, okay, difficult task which is boring and repetitive. And so if you have a job, or you're doing something on your job which is like repetitive, you keep doing whatever photocopies, whatever thing you're doing which is like a repetitive job, Charlie, think through it and upgrade or step up your game, learn something new, add something up, or your job is soon going to be taken over by a robot. It is going to happen. It's fascinates me that a lot of people still think like, Charlie, this thing, especially people in Africa, and then we think that it's far from us, like it's far from happening. Like, okay, the poor people are the people who are going to be affected, or the people who haven't been educated. Trust me, it's even coming it's coming. I feel artificial intelligence is going to create this gap. Okay, I always say it's going to create this gap of a huge disparity between, like, it's going to be the rich and the poor, like that middle class thing, or the middle people who are, a bit inclined, a bit educated, a bit, you're here and there. All of those people, gradually, you're going to either have to step up or you're going to fall down. That's how I see it, okay? Take a job like construction. There are machines that are making blocks. Now there are machines that are even building putting up the entire building with precision, with accuracy and efficiency, okay? Blocks can be laid up within a twinkle of an eye. There are machines that are doing plastering, machines that do plastering, machines that do painting. And so if it's going to take just one person to operate a machine that does all of the plastering of a building, do it to all of the height efficiently, I wouldn't have to rent I wouldn't have to rent scaffolds and all of the cost that comes with it. Obviously the construction or the business operation person is going to go for the machine that would be able to do this thing efficiently, power it up with whatever, dry cells, fuel, whatever it takes to run the machine, other than paying numbers and numerous of people with insurance, with health costs and all of that. So yeah, it's gonna come for everybody, a lot of people, I should say. And in my next video, trust me, you guys, you're gonna love this video. It's gonna be, I'm gonna try to we're going to discuss actually what or which jobs you think artificial intelligence is going to take up.